Very kondo.
Yeah, I did it. I did it. Singular.
Okay, the baloro kondo. Nebula vasati lavutu. Kondo.
Alright. Okay.
Hello, I'm Shani. Thank you very much, guys, for watching me on Mandla Gingirikani. I really appreciate your support. Just want to make a video now. Maybe before I say that, I'm actually going to a place called Hala because you guys have been telling me I must check this guy out. His name is Dunisani Baloyi. Dunisani Baloyi. So we're going to see Dunisani Baloyi. Yabona Dunisani Baloyi enzela. One word in Kambita Stog. Lash Kazin. So how's it? Just he take his hala namunhla. Nifamba na Nkanelo. He's gonna be my cameraman. Today Nkanelo is gonna be my cameraman. We are going to Hala village outside Malamlele. We're going to see if let's put on a seat belt. Regular seat belt. Ya Hala. Ya bona misolo bengere yena Dunisani Baloyi ne. Ya misolo anga trust nene ka album yin'wana ya yena yo sungula. I think it rena Themba Xikombe. I think waka mfana wala ka asikuthi kubaba nemfu ngifana aw qualify musona famba na mina. Themba Xikombe mfana wala ka Mswana la. Yeah, mfana wala ka Mswana. Themba Mabasa I think. Yes. So trengona yena ka volume 1. I think so sitra na bangwana ani steam la kahle I'm going to find out kuitra na bamani ka album le awa aku umesako le ka trending guys. You guys are loving his music, so I thought maybe swi kahle kuni enzela jale bring rona Dunisani. Maybe na mina ni umese kushota stiri ngafika maybe nda remix kwala mi Steve ngafika computer maybe kuma kwa if kai trender evi shinda swona swilo. If I'm a gravel scene, so lu fika na swona evi mikuma kwa FC ku teka na ti X ma 17 mina hlamalo ku bina na Dunisani of kiteka X ma 17. All right guys, we are going to Hala patra kona hi famba hi gravel hala ka Malamlele hala mina nsuka la ka homu la Nsami la. You know, when I do a lot of this kind of videos, I like doing what you call ethnographic type of filming or ethnographic work where I also participate in the kind of work they're doing. That's why you saw me doing a song with Selzo. I did a song with Nsukugi Jashtimel and Namaraji, you know. That is trying to experience what artists go through when they have to make a song or when they have to make a beat. So ako makwanga moya ka hala fala mo balenga slash na nord kokfata not tax rank kumbe woto train chap okay indani man. Yeah, all right. Oh, about man. The way drive is not so. Exactly. Mr. Please. You are alive. Yeah. Alive. Yeah, you're alive. We are live on YouTube. Yeah. We are live on YouTube. Short train. I like the Sanchi, ila kutirante, kena Buruba, kena Selzo, kena Maraji, kena Gingi. Baloyi. Kushota still. Kulava still. Kena kingi. Kena sezo. Ah, dito mi sofa. What's that? Okay. It is some Russian arm, Leroy. Ragu, Maso. I'm not on. Oh.
Narita the way voice they were.
Baito voice like we're a Russian army. Myself, I very similar to a Russian army, guys.
I see.
It's common practice like girl mamutala malolo for my mlenge so combat list so I gave these guys a lift. Guys. I gave these guys a lift. And you know, it's a common practice for these guys to just take advantage, you know. No, I mean, that's it, guys. I mean, that's it, so that for right. Should I stay? Well, I'm going to take it. I can start. Hello, Mulu. I'm going to come and I'm what trail. Hello, Mama. Trail. Come wrong. Ina masona gwile kwini ile kala ntseme kahle na boti Dunisani Baloyi man ntseme Baloyi patara ko ka Nkanelo Gingirikani Nkanelo nga ite kimbi ma dzelo ntamiri ko ka Nkanelo Gingirikani Nkanelo
Tamir kona ka Nkanelo Gingirikani unika irimbi
eke ku kondo
eka ibango me kondo Eula wasati la botuka Kondo Ula wasati la botuka Kondo 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 kondo.
Allah.
Wala wasati love.
I love it. Alright. Salute, mga tutumel. Mga tutumel.